In light of increasing natural disasters, it's crucial to be prepared. Part of that preparation involves safeguarding your vital documents. This can save you from added stress and complications. Here are some essential tips to ensure your documents are protected. Let's start with the basics. Vital documents include birth certificates, passports, insurance policies, medical records, and property deeds. These are the lifelines you'll need during and after a disaster. Make digital copies of all your important documents. You can scan these and store them on a secure cloud service like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. This ensures you have access to them from anywhere with an internet connection. Digital documents can also be stored on a USB drive. Store physical copies of your documents in a waterproof and fireproof safe or cabinet. These are designed to withstand extreme conditions and can be a lifesaver. Place the safe or cabinet in an easily accessible location, but not where it could be easily found by intruders. Put together a grab-and-go bag with copies of your most crucial documents. Include essential items like identification, insurance policies, and emergency contact information. This bag should be easy to carry and placed in an accessible spot in your home. Lastly, keep your information updated. Regularly review and update your emergency contact list and ensure all documents are current. By taking these steps, you can ensure that your vital documents are protected, giving you one less thing to worry about during a disaster. Remember, being prepared can make all the difference. Stay safe and stay informed.